Okay, today I'm at Campbell Valley Regional Park doing another video, part of my Metro Vancouver Regional Park video series. Gonna hop on my bike, do the perimeter trail, so let's go check out this amazing park. Okay, it's only been a few minutes since I hopped on the bike from the car, and already finding such interesting stuff and learning about our beautiful province of British Columbia. Here's a roofed barn from 1939. Some old farming equipment. Such a cool park, and I've just gotten here, so I'm gonna look around a little bit and then hop back on the bike, finish this part of the perimeter trail, and then head back to where towards where I started from and finish the rest of the perimeter trail, because the perimeter trail is the only thing that you can bike on. So I'm going to do the full perimeter trail biking, showcasing this amazing park, and then I'm going to do a little walking also in the park. Gorgeous, very cold winter day here. Okay, adventure continues. Okay, well that completes this adventure. Another look at another Metro Vancouver Regional Park. I did the full perimeter trail. That was very cool. Parked the car, took a right, did the perimeter trail all the way as far as I could go, going to the right, turned around, came all the way back to the car, got a little bit of water, continued on from the car and did the perimeter trail. Just as you saw there, you get to a main road. It ends for a minute, but then it starts up again, and it ends there. But definitely, this has been an amazing adventure. Great bike ride. I'll have to come back on a different adventure and do the hiking, because as you can see on the map, there is just so much to do in this park. It's incredible. Today I just did the perimeter trail on the bike. Okay, 1.4 kilometers-ish back to the car to conclude this adventure. So I hope you liked it. Seek your adventure today. Have a super day.